Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have JBL Endurance Race wireless Bluetooth sporting earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case these earbuds are not working for some reason, like they're not connecting to your phone, or they keep disconnecting, or they're not pairing with your Bluetooth device, or if the left earbud is not working or the right earbud is not working, so you're only getting sound out of one ear. A factory reset can fix a lot of these issues, and if it doesn't and you want to get a new set of earbuds, I'll put a link in the description to a good pair at a good price. The second reason you might want to do this is if for whatever reason where you just want to delete everything off of these earbuds, all the pairing history and everything like that, and set them up basically like they're coming out of the box new, we can go ahead and do that really simply. All we need to do is take them out of the case. They should not be charging. They should be on. So like you're gonna put them on, and then we're just going to come and do a triple tap on the back of the buttons like this. 1, 2, and then on the third one we hold. And then when you do that third tap, you're gonna hold for 5 seconds. You'll do it a little bit faster like this. 1, 2, 3, hold. And hold for 5 seconds. And after those 5 seconds, the earbuds will reset to their factory defaults, and you can go ahead and just set them up like a new set of earbuds.